Hi, it's me, your VFX Noob, Rafał, and today will be update after 1 week of trying to do my best to learn the VFX and CGI. And what I've learned is that using my Sony camera, Sony Alpha 6300, it's a bit more complicated than usual because I've tried to use the SLOG2 and SLOG3, also the CINE4 modes, color profiles, to see if I am able to color grade those colors, because apparently people says that those profiles give you more dynamic range and everything will be much more better than a normal profile or no profile at all. So I tried, but it sucks. It totally sucks. Why? Because most of the people don't know how to grade, including me. I tried to grade it for 1 hour. Basically, how much time I spent this week, it was, I think, more than 6 hours recording and trying to edit everything and add some fire video effects on the clips. I will show you, you will see it in the background probably, how did I manage to do it and how it looks. And it was many trial and errors, so it was pretty hard. But I think I did some improvements, and back to the SLOG2 problem, it was I found the information that the best image you're gonna get from the camera straight without any editing is gonna be better, because the camera has itself his own algorithm that will make the video perfect. And the less you spend time on editing and the less you're gonna edit video itself on the PC, is gonna be just better quality. So I found the CINE4, it's the best picture profile on my camera, and it's not necessary to color grade this because I can just bump saturation a bit and maybe contrast to get this clear view. And the other dynamic range is, I think, is basically the same, and it's much more less noise. Even if I'm gonna overexpose SLOG2, it's not worth it spending time trying to fix that. So this is what I've learned over this week. I hope I'm gonna remember everything that I did this week. Maybe I should write it down somewhere, so I'm not gonna reproduce the same errors again. I'm not gonna try to do SLOG2 again. It's just not worth it. And even in a Sony instruction book, you're gonna see on the cameras that they are recommending to just try to get best picture profile on your camera without editing on a PC, because the camera provides the best quality. Also, I tried to do video effects of flames. I tried to do the stock footage with like a problem with the arm, that it's it has inflammation and it's gonna be like fire on it, and maybe someone will buy this clip, but it was not good enough. 4K was not good enough. It was not enough light in my home, and I think I need to buy a new lens that will provide more light inside the camera on the sensor. So this clip will be disregarded, and I think it's gonna be this clip that I was recording after, just my hand, just for the fun to try to record this, make this video effects real, and see how to deal with the fire inside Blender 2.9. So if you like one of those effects, just let me know in the comments, and I will try to provide the also tutorials. But basically you can find all tutorials on the YouTube without any problems. But it was pretty hard to find a good one. It was just one or two. No, it was the one tutorial that basically it was good to learn the fire in the Blender, because the rest of the tutorials are just doesn't make any sense. I was thinking maybe I just don't understand it, or it's too fast or something, but they don't explain anything how it works and why it's happening. And this one tutorial on YouTube is just good, and it's explained every single parameter of the fire and the smoke and the fluid, the physics, so you can understand what are you doing basically. So yeah, it was pretty good week, I think. Now I'm gonna get a better project. It's gonna be more like recording and special effects. So I think I'm not gonna waste so much time on the SLOG2 and stuff like this, because I own this camera for 2 years and I hope it's end of the research how to use it. Okay, that's all on this video. Thank you very much for coming by, and I hope I did say this on the beginning of the video. If you watched my first video, sorry for the audio level. It was over clipping all the time, so my bad. I hope this one is good. Okay, subscribe to my channel, leave the comment, like this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.